What's up, Unconventionalists? I'm back and I'm so excited to tell you about the Denver Museum of Nature and Science today. When we visited Rocky Mountain National Park in the end of April, we actually had a flight out of Denver the next day after leaving Estes Park, so we thought, what are we going to do for one day in Denver? We looked it up, and the Denver Museum of Nature and Science looked like the perfect blend of kid-friendly and interesting for parents too. There really is something for everyone at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every single day, and it's usually open till 9 p.m. on Fridays. The exceptions are Thanksgiving Day, when it's open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., and Christmas Day, when it's closed altogether.
There you go.
Put a whole bunch on there.
Wow. I can't keep up, guys. I can't keep up.
Atlas and Isle especially loved the Discovery Zone, which is the area of the museum specifically designed for kids ages 3 to 8.
Is the lava gonna go in there?
It is. We are going to put our lava in the volcano.
Lava in it. There's lava in it.
There are lots of hands-on activities, and we even got to watch a volcano erupt in the science kitchen.
Last ingredient that we're going to add. So I'm going to have my 4 special helpers right up here in front. I'm going to count to 3, and then I want you guys to all pour it in at the same time, okay? Oh my gosh! This is our bubbly volcano. So remember we said that lava is normally hot, right?
Yeah, but it's pink.
This one isn't. So if you guys want to come and touch it and play with it, you totally can. It's not hot at all.
General admission is $19.95 for adults, $14.95 for kids ages 3 to 18, and $16.95 for seniors ages 65 and up. Kids under 3 are free.
Look, are you tippy-toesing? You're a little bit bigger than 3 feet, and this dinosaur is huge.
The planetarium, the IMAX theater, and whatever the rotating special exhibit is are all an additional cost. You can add those on. We chose not to do any add-ons on our visit because we only had one afternoon to spend there, and there's already so much to see in the Denver Museum of Nature and Science.
What are you guys doing?
We're taking off the outer space. Yeah, and we have spaceship bags. And
You had a spaceship bag?
yeah, and there's another one that's at and here's what we got.
Sweet. Who's gonna be steering?
Well, my brother. No, I'm the driver.
You're gonna drive this one, Atlas? You sure you can handle it? Seems like a lot of responsibility.
No matter the interests of your family, there really is something for everyone, from dinosaurs to gems and rocks and minerals to Native American history, animals, and everything in between. Don't miss the Denver Museum of Nature and Science on your next world schooling adventure in Colorado's capital city.
It's not even real.
What about your hands?
Tell them about the pocket.
Is there something weird about the pocket?
No, it just goes through just like my other one.
Oh, it's like a tunnel?
Yeah.
Like a tunnel? Your hands are in the tunnel?
Hey, my
What about yours, Atlas?
My hands are touching each other. No, if I can feel my hands, I'm holding the hands. See, I did this in my pockets because I can feel them doing it.
That's how you stay super duper warm, by holding your own hand.
If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. It really helps the channel, and that way you'll never miss another adventure from us We do a lot of exploring in the Western United States and in Latin America. Until next time, keep living life outside the box.